Egypt, the land of pharaohs, pyramids, and ancient mysteries. A place where history whispers from every stone and the sands of time have preserved tales of grandeur and glory. It's a destination that has captivated travelers for centuries, drawing them into its enigmatic embrace. Now, you might think exploring Egypt requires a king's ransom. But fear not, fellow budget travelers. The allure of Egypt is accessible to all, regardless of the size of your wallet. I'm here to tell you that experiencing this incredible country is possible without breaking the bank. From savoring delicious local cuisine to finding affordable accommodations, Egypt welcomes budget-conscious adventurers with open arms. Egypt offers a journey through time, a chance to walk in the footsteps of ancient civilizations. Imagine wandering through ancient temples, feeling the weight of history in every step. Picture yourself haggling for souvenirs in bustling souks, where the air is thick with the scent of spices and the vibrant colors of textiles. And envision yourself cruising down the Nile, the lifeblood of Egypt, watching the landscape unfold in a tapestry of timeless beauty. All of this is achievable on a budget. With careful planning and a spirit of adventure, you can experience the wonders of Egypt without overspending. With a little planning and insider tips, you can unlock an unforgettable Egyptian adventure. Local guides can offer invaluable insights, enriching your journey with stories and facts that bring the ancient world to life. This guide is your key to unlocking Egypt's treasures without emptying your wallet. From transportation hacks to budget-friendly attractions, we've got you covered. We'll uncover affordable ways to experience the best of Egypt. Imagine riding camels at sunrise, the golden light casting a magical glow over the desert sands. From navigating bustling cities to exploring ancient ruins, every moment in Egypt is a step back in time. We'll do it all while keeping your finances intact. Savor the flavors of Egypt with street food that delights the palate without draining your budget. So pack your adventurous spirit and get ready to discover the magic of Egypt. Whether you're hiking near the Great Pyramids or exploring hidden gems off the beaten path, adventure awaits at every turn. Get ready to be amazed by the sheer beauty and history of this captivating country. Your Egyptian adventure awaits, promising memories that will last a lifetime. Getting around Egypt is surprisingly affordable. Local transportation is your best bet. For navigating within cities, hop on the microbuses. They're a chaotic but authentic experience. Just ask a local for the correct route, and be prepared for a bumpy ride. For longer distances, trains are a comfortable and budget-friendly option. They connect major cities like Cairo, Alexandria, and Luxor. Consider booking a sleeper train for overnight journeys. You'll save on accommodation costs and wake up at your destination. When traveling between cities like Aswan and Luxor, consider feluccas. These traditional sailboats offer a unique and leisurely way to experience the Nile. You can often negotiate a good price with the boat owners. Remember to haggle when taking taxis. Agree on a price before you start your journey. And don't be afraid to walk for shorter distances. It's a great way to soak in the local atmosphere and discover hidden gems. Finding budget-friendly accommodation in Egypt is easier than you think. Hostels are plentiful, especially in popular tourist hubs. They offer a great way to meet fellow travelers, and they often have communal kitchens where you can save money on meals. Another budget-friendly option is to stay in local guest houses. These offer a more authentic experience. You'll be welcomed with open arms by Egyptian families, and you'll get a glimpse into their daily lives. For a unique experience, consider spending a night in a Nubian guest house in Aswan. These guest houses are known for their colorful architecture and warm hospitality. When choosing accommodation, consider its location. Staying near major attractions might cost more. Venturing slightly outside the tourist zones can lead to better deals and a more local experience. Egyptian cuisine is a delicious and affordable adventure for your taste buds. Forget fancy restaurants. Street food is where it's at. You'll find an array of flavors to tantalize your palate. Start your day with a hearty breakfast of full madams. This fava bean dish is a staple in Egypt. It's filling, flavorful, and cheap. For lunch, indulge in a falafel sandwich or kashari. Kashari is a mix of rice, lentils, macaroni, and chickpeas. It's topped with a spicy tomato sauce and crispy fried onions. For dinner, try a traditional Egyptian dish like kofta. These are grilled minced meat kebabs, often served with rice and salad. And don't forget to quench your thirst with fresh sugarcane juice. It's the perfect way to cool down in the Egyptian heat. Remember to try the local desserts too. Indulge in sweet treats like basbousa, a semolina cake soaked in syrup, or try kunafa, a crispy pastry filled with sweet cheese. Ancient wonders on a budget: pyramids, temples, and more. Egypt is a treasure trove of ancient wonders, and you don't need a pharaoh's fortune to experience them. Many of Egypt's most iconic sites are surprisingly affordable. Start with the awe-inspiring pyramids of Giza. Marvel at these ancient structures and learn about the pharaohs who built them. Next, journey to Luxor, the ancient city of Thebes. Explore the sprawling Karnak Temple complex, a vast open-air museum. Wander through the Valley of the Kings, where pharaohs were laid to rest, and be awestruck by the grandeur of Hatshepsut's temple. In Aswan, visit the Philae Temple, dedicated to the goddess Isis. Take a boat to the island temple and admire its beauty. And don't miss the unfinished obelisk, a testament to the ambition of ancient Egyptians. When visiting these sites, consider going early in the morning or later in the afternoon. You'll avoid the crowds and the midday heat. And remember to bring your student ID for discounted entry fees. Beyond the monuments, unveiling local life and hidden gems. While Egypt's ancient wonders are a must-see, don't forget to venture beyond the tourist trail. Immerse yourself in local life and discover hidden gems. Explore the bustling Khan el-Khalili Bazaar in Cairo. Get lost in the labyrinthine alleyways and haggle for souvenirs. Take a stroll through Islamic Cairo, home to ancient mosques and madrasas. Visit the Al-Azhar Mosque, one of the oldest universities in the world, and marvel at the intricate architecture of the Sultan Hassan Mosque. In Alexandria, explore the Bibliotheca Alexandrina, a modern marvel that pays homage to the ancient Library of Alexandria. Take a walk along the Corniche, a scenic waterfront promenade, and visit the catacombs of Kom el-Shokafa, a fascinating underground burial site. By venturing off the beaten path, you'll experience a different side of Egypt. You'll connect with locals, discover hidden gems, and create unforgettable memories. Cultural insights: navigating Egypt with grace and respect. When traveling in Egypt, it's essential to be mindful of local customs and traditions. Dress modestly, especially when visiting religious sites. Cover your shoulders and knees, and consider wearing a headscarf when entering mosques. Learn a few basic Arabic phrases. Greetings like salam, hello, and shukran, thank you, go a long way. Egyptians appreciate it when you make an effort to speak their language. Egyptians are known for their hospitality. Don't be surprised if you're invited for tea or a meal. It's considered rude to refuse. Accept their generosity and enjoy the opportunity to connect with locals. When taking photos of people, always ask for permission first, and be respectful of their privacy. Remember, you're a guest in their country. Safety and scams: staying savvy on your Egyptian adventure. Egypt is generally a safe country for travelers, but like any destination, it's essential to be aware of your surroundings and take precautions. Petty theft can be a problem, especially in crowded areas. Keep your valuables close and avoid flashing large sums of money. Be wary of scams, especially in tourist areas. Some common scams include overpriced taxis, fake souvenirs, and people offering to be your guide. Stick to reputable transportation options, negotiate prices beforehand, and politely decline unsolicited offers. Drink bottled water and avoid tap water. It's not safe to drink. Be cautious of food poisoning. Choose restaurants that are clean and popular with locals, and avoid eating food from street vendors that look unhygienic. By being aware of potential risks and taking necessary precautions, you can ensure a safe and enjoyable trip to Egypt. Essential tips: making the most of your budget-friendly trip to Egypt. Here are a few essential tips to help you make the most of your budget-friendly trip. Travel during the shoulder seasons, spring and fall. You'll enjoy pleasant weather and fewer crowds. Learn some basic Arabic phrases. It will enhance your interactions with locals and help you navigate. Haggle like a pro. Don't be afraid to negotiate prices, especially in markets and with taxi drivers. Pack light. You'll save on baggage fees and have less to carry around. Stay connected with a local SIM card. It's an affordable way to stay in touch and access maps and information on the go. By following these tips, you'll be well on your way to an unforgettable and budget-friendly Egyptian adventure. Until next time, keep exploring and embrace the journey. Egypt, with its ancient wonders, bustling cities, and warm hospitality, is a destination that will leave a lasting impression. And the best part is, you don't need a fortune to experience its magic. By embracing budget travel tips and immersing yourself in local culture, you can unlock an unforgettable adventure. So, what are you waiting for? Start planning your Egyptian adventure today. And remember, the most valuable souvenirs you'll bring back are the memories you create. Happy travels! Want more insider tips and budget travel guides? Subscribe to my newsletter for exclusive content and travel inspiration.